Hello everyone, this is Levinette 19 and
Nerd 19,
and we're about to do a video on how to make your own disinfectant spray. And here's our ingredients. Well, first we have a bowl, we have some bleach, we have a funnel and an empty bottle. We also have a spoon,
and then we have 4 tablespoons of bleach. We have 4 cups of water, so that's 1 tablespoon per cup. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is pour 4 cups of water into the bowl. And then we're going to add the 4 tablespoons of bleach and then mix it till it's well combined. Okay, once it's well combined, we're going to go ahead and add it to our spray bottle.
I can see.
Thank you. Okay. So, here's our homemade disinfectant spray, and it's safe to use on hard surfaces, as well as doorknobs, bathtubs, your sinks, whatever you need, sanitized. Hopefully this video was very helpful, and everyone stay safe. And we'll talk to you all later.
Also, I want to add, you can label your bottle, put disinfectant spray on there, that way that you won't forget what's in the bottle.
Of course. Thank you for that.
So stay safe, and we'll see you all on the next video. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Thumbs up as well.
Okay, bye.